When we are working with RStudio and R to write code, and when we start RStudio, we are usually greeted with these three panels here. And in the following, I will briefly discuss what we can do with these panels. So the top panel here, that is where we can write some R scripts and save them. And we haven't done that yet because we did everything in the console. That's the second panel here. And you see there is a little bit of text here. And we have used this panel to write some commands. But of course, this console is basically similar to a calculator. We can write some calculations, some basic stuff, but we can't really save it. And therefore, we will use the top panel next to show how we can do that. And on the right-hand side, we've got another panel where we've got, for example, files, where we can visualize plots, where we can look at the packages, where we can even get help for different packages that we are going to use. Okay, so what have we done here so far? We have, for example, written something like data is assigned to some numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, and press enter, and then we can print out the data. We can calculate, for example, the mean of the data like this, and once we are stuck, for example, we can press the escape key. So let's try that again. Mean of the data. Let's close the bracket and we get something like that. But we can't really save these things here. So if we've got longer scripts, we would have to key in all the things over and over again. So what can we do? Well, we can use the top panel actually, and we can do exactly what we just did. We write data is assigned to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do another one. Okay. And now we say we want to calculate the mean of the data. Okay, so and press enter, and of course nothing happens. We can also calculate the median of the data, or we can calculate the standard deviation of the data. And every time I press enter, nothing happens. Why is that? Because we need to give the instruction that what we have just written here in this field, it needs to run. So how do we run this? We just simply highlight it and go here to run. And what you see is in our console now, we get the calculations. So we get the mean 3.5, median 3.5, the standard deviation 1.87. And what we now can do, of course, is we can save this script, if you like, just under File, and we save as wherever we actually need to save it to. We give it a title, and you see it already has the extension R. So let's not save it. And we then can always reuse the script. we can clear the console. And we can say, okay, instead of writing that, this actually should be, say, something like 60. Now I can modify it and I can highlight the script again and run it again. And I get the modified new version. So RStudio makes it possible to save our calculations that we've done previously, and we can easily reuse them for future purposes. We can also send files in the R format, because it is nothing else but just simply a text format. So I hope this shows you as an introduction how we can use this RStudio, how we can use this top pane.